Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through on step by step how to earn on this new Telegram mining project called Blum. So as you can see, Blum is a farming app, and also you can accumulate more points by playing this drop game. As you can see, by accumulating those drop gaming points, you can earn what is called Blum points. So guys, as you can see, you can even farm Blum. You can be farming and also drop gaming. This is the taskbar. So guys, let's just check the taskbar and see what we have there. So as you can see, by subscribing to Blum Telegram, joining Blum's Instagram account and following them on X, you can get an additional Blum reward, as you can see in their task area. So this is friends. Let us check. So for friends, I think the available invites is 5 friends you can invite at the moment, and you will be accumulating some income when your friends are mining Blum. So score 10%, as you can see, from bodies plus 2.5% from their referrals. Get a play pass for each friend you invited. So guys, this is a very good project, and we are hoping for this project to be more like Notcoin. So guys, if you like this video, please share it, like and comment. Peace.